So this question is k distinct string in array. So basically you are given a string array and an integer k. So return a k distinct string percent in the array, and then if not, then return empty. So just quickly go overview this question. So let's look at the frequency first. So in the array, D string show once, B show twice, C show twice, and A show one, right? Alright, so it has to be distinct, right? So something B, C is not going to be used. Alright, so K is going to be the order that it is distinct, right? So D will be the first one appear in the string, but K is actually equal to 2. So this is K equal to 1, right? And then when A is what? K equal to 2. So what we need to return is what? Letter A, right? So it's actually pretty straightforward. We can, traverse based on the count, or we can traverse based on the distinct. So how do we know it's distinct? So if we put into the map, right? If we put into the map, we can contains key, right? Contains key, which is find the value in the map, right? If we do contain a key, which is not a distinct number, right? So we can use that features that distinguish the value is distinct or not, right? So let's look at it. So map string as a key, and then I'm going to say boolean for the value, and just a map, right? I'm going to traverse the array, so string array, right? String A array, and I'm going to say if map.contains key A else, right? So this is the only two conditions. So if you cannot find the value inside the, if you cannot find the key inside the map, you put the current A letter, is a string, right? String, and then set equal to true, because we know it's distinct right now, it's unique, it's first value in the map, and then if not, I'm gonna just reassign to false, right? Alright, pretty straightforward. So let's look at this. So I would definitely return something if I found it. So if not, I'm gonna return empty. So for string A array, so I'm traversing the array again. So if the map.get the value string is equal to true, right? It's equal to true, and if I decrement my k first and it's equal to 0, then I will have to return A. So this is actually pretty straightforward logic. So let me run it, submit. If you don't like this guy, you can remove, still the same. So time and space, that should be straightforward. Space is all of n and representative of string array. Time, this is all of n, this is all of n, right? So this will be the first solution. So the second solution is using the frequency. So what does frequency do in this solution? It's going to be, I change a boolean to integer, right? So still going to traverse and map.put and a map.get or default. So if the value is inside the map, I initialize equal to 0 and increment by 1. If value is already in the map, I increment by 1. So okay, so I'm gonna check for one's frequency number, right? So traverse the value again, string integer entry map.entry set. So int freq is going to be based on entry.get value, right? If a freq is equal to 1, I'm going to increment this guy. Alright, so here's the trick. So what happens if the one frequency number is less than k? So we're not allowed to to find it, right? You're not allowed to find it because the value, the distinct value is less than k. You're not able to get a k equal to 2 or 3. So imagine this guy is not here. Like you only have d appears in the string which is distinct and k equal to 2. So if this is happening, so once for some less than k, you basically return empty. And then return empty by default, right? So again, I'll traverse again and then array, and then if the map dot get a is equal to 1, right? Frequency equal to 1 and 1 minus k equal to 0, right? You return a. So the second part is pretty straightforward. It's still going to be the same. Should be okay. Cool. So for this solution, let's look at space. Space is going to be all of n. This is space, right? Time. This is all of n. This is all of entry. You can definitely put a logic in here, right? But I just like to make it more clear when I explain it. And this is all of n for the time. So this will be the total solution for this video. And then if you have any question, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.